Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue whether Internet Explorer mode is working or not in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, first of all, let us confirm whether we are going the right way or not. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Search for Internet Explorer and hit Enter. Okay. Now you'll find the Internet Explorer mode here. You can choose to turn it on. The if this does not work, I mean, why wouldn't it work at the first place? But let's say you don't find it, then straight away update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Download and Install or check for updates, whatever option is available here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice